I need 2 cans of tuna. I will separate the tuna from the oil. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will shred the tuna with a fork. I will chop leeks, peppers, and 2 cloves of garlic. I will chop the vegetables. I add the chopped vegetables to the tuna. Add salt to taste. I add dry organic seasoning. And how I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Pepper to taste. Red sweet ground pepper. A teaspoon of mustard. 2 eggs. A little lemon juice. And I'll mix it all up. I add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'll stir. I sprinkle the almond flour on the plate. I'll shape the patties. I arrange the patties on an oven tray lined with baking paper. I take the patties to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius to bake for a total of 25 minutes. Halfway through cooking, I will turn them to the other side. After 12 minutes of baking, I turn the burgers to the other side. I return to the oven to bake for another 12 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, our burgers are ready. Burgers prepared in this way are extremely tasty healthy. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. I will separate the sardines from 2 cans of oil. I will chop the parsley and the onion. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I separated the sardine from the oil and now I will shred it with a fork. I add parsley and onion. I'll add 2 eggs. Add salt to taste. I add pepper. Sweet ground pepper. I add dry organic seasoning. And how I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. I'll stir. Grated surface of the peel of 1 lemon. I wash the lemon with bicarbonate of soda. I will add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'll mix it all up. Sprinkle some almond flour on the work surface. I will make a patty from the prepared mixture. I will roll it in almond flour. I pour olive oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I put the burgers on the heated oil and fry them for 3 minutes on both sides. Burgers prepared this way are extremely healthy. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. Canned sardines, I will separate them from the oil. I'll shred the sardines with a fork. I will chop 1 onion and 2 spring onions. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I add 2 cloves of garlic. I add chopped onion to the sardines. I add 3 eggs. Salt. I add dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Pepper. Ground red pepper. A little lemon juice. I'm going to mix it all together. I add 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'll stir. If the mixture is thinner, which depends on the size of the eggs, add another tablespoon of breadcrumbs. I will sprinkle breadcrumbs on the plate. I will shape patties and roll them in breadcrumbs. I will pour oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I put the burgers on the heated oil and fry them for 3 minutes on both sides. The patties are ready. I'll take them out on a plate. Burgers prepared this way are extremely tasty. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.